We will now create the box for the introduction section. This contains a large image, a title, and some text, including a block quote. In our code editor, we start inside our first column, and we add the div tag with the class box to create this box all around with padding, borders, and border radius, and some box shadow. And then we also use the class content to style the content within in a default way. Now we'll insert a figure tag with the class image to make the image inside responsive, and then the class is 2:1 to maintain an aspect ratio of 2:1 even before the image has loaded. Then we'll insert the image itself using an img tag with the source attribute with the value img/900x450.png. This is the image that we see right here. Alright, we'll give it an alt text, portrait of Jeppe Schaumburg Jensen. After this, we'll create an h1 heading element with the class title and the text Jeppe Schaumburg Jensen. We'll close this heading element again. Then we'll create our first paragraph, and since we want this to be a little larger, we'll add the class is size 4. I'll just paste in some text here, like so. Now we'll create one more paragraph, paste it in here, and now let's create the block quote. So we add the block quote element, and inside this we want to add a paragraph with some text here, and then we want a footer inside, so we use the footer tag, and then we create an m dash using the HTML entity, and I add my name again. Now we'll create one final paragraph, like so. Or actually, this is the right one. Let's save and go into our browser. Select the right tab and refresh. Now we see our first section here, a box. So let's have a quick look of what the content class did. If I remove this, we can see that there's no space between the different paragraphs and the block quote, and the line height and sizing of the heading elements is also different. So if we insert this again, see how everything changes and becomes really nice to look at. So this is a really useful class to use if you have some basic content inside, mostly text content or images, tables, and stuff like that.